Hi, this is Channa Borman here with straight talk and honest advice about family law here in the Brazos Valley. And today I'd like to start a series of videos about the new discovery rules and how they may affect you. The first rule change that we're going to talk about is the initial disclosures. And this is one that's going to affect every case across the board, so hear me out. Initial disclosures request the same information that under the old rules 194 requests for disclosures requested. But now instead of only having to answer them if the other side sent you the requests, we have to answer them in every single case. The initial disclosures require that we provide specific information about our claims in the case, our potential witnesses being names, addresses, and phone numbers, our expert witnesses, and any documents that support the requests that we're making. If it's a child case, we have to submit information about child support calculation and health insurance. And if it's a divorce case, we have to submit information about property and assets. This information now has to be submitted within 30 days of an answer being filed in your case. And so that really changes the timeline somewhat from when we're really putting together the information that we need to resolve the litigation. So understand, from the very beginning of hiring us on, we're going to send you a list of documents that we want you to accumulate so that we can respond promptly to these initial disclosures. Because again, they're required in every case now, and our firm is proactive so you don't have to rush at the last minute. Now, some of the information that we request from you in the initial disclosures is a list of possible witnesses. Now, in family law cases that involve children, those potential witnesses may be teachers and doctors and counselors. They may be neighbors or people who have knowledge of facts about your litigation. So keep in mind, it's not limited to just you and your family and maybe your spouse. Keep your mind broad about who else may know about your parenting skills and the parenting skills of your spouse. So when you hire on, we give you a list of items we want you to produce to us so we can respond to these disclosures. The more organized you can provide those documents to us, the cheaper it is for you, for us to put them together and provide them to the opposing side. If we have to organize them, it takes time and effort for us to do that. But if you organize them before you submit them, obviously it's more quick for us to take care of it and put it together. So you can help us help you by being proactive and organizing those documents before you send them in. Now, when you're ready to make the decision to proceed with your divorce case, when you're ready to leave that miserable marriage, you give us a call because we know the answers, we know how to take care of you, and we know what the law is to best represent you and reach your goals. So you give us a call today because we're here.